Technology refers to the material and immaterial application of scientific knowledge associated with the revolution of new machines, industries, and electronic devices. Essentially, it is a set of resources, processes, or methods that contribute to different areas such as economics, medicine, and education. The rapid development of technology since the mid-20th century has had a tremendous impact on human life. Although technology has contributed to vast opportunities for growth, there are disadvantages associated with them that must be considered. Given that technologies have permeated all aspects of the social domain, technological advancement has exacerbated developing political and social issues worldwide. This essay will consider the advantages and disadvantages of technology and establish two arguments for how the global issue should be addressed. Modern technologies introduce innovative, practical solutions that assist or maximize different spheres of human activity. Technologies range from tools used every day by ordinary people to technologies necessary for complex industrial production, education, information and communication systems, and medicine. The latest technologies have significantly increased the productivity of various equipment and contributed to profit maximization and the consequent insurgence of techno-capitalism in many advanced countries. The ability of computers and machines to solve the most challenging mathematical equations allows scientists to speed up the execution of tasks that require measurement or other calculations. A contemporary technological order is based on thermonuclear energy, genetic engineering, photonics, nanotechnology, and robotics. Flexible automatization of the production of goods has been taking place for decades, and improvement of information networks and transport systems continues. Sustainable energy carriers and renewable energy sources are gaining more and more prominence and have become the focus of many debates among world leaders and decision-makers. The essential benefit of technological development and globalization is the accessible exchange of information worldwide. Users can instantly communicate with each other from anywhere globally by using the World Wide Web. Digital technologies allow students to acquire primary skills when working with information. Students learn the basics of searching, sorting, organizing, and storing data. This involves working with text editors, resources for creating presentations and projects, and tools for dynamic tables. Modern technology has dramatically changed the healthcare industry. Advances allow physicians to diagnose hidden diseases, increasing the chances of successful treatment and saving lives. Advances in medicines and vaccines have been highly influential, nearly eradicating diseases such as measles, diphtheria, and smallpox that used to cause massive, deadly epidemics. Modern medicine allows patients to treat chronic conditions once debilitating and life-threatening, such as diabetes and hypertension. Such achievements in healthcare have contributed to an overall improvement in the quality of life and life expectancy worldwide. Production of goods and services has become faster, more efficient, and optimal due to technological processes. Various industry sectors and businesses have expanded and found great success worldwide, leading to the creation of multinational companies, MNCs. Nowadays, the maximized output is achieved by less labor used. High levels of technologization allow for substituting low-skilled labor with efficient machines. Although these processes have brought unparalleled capital inflows, many social classes have been significantly disadvantaged. First, considering the rapid expansion of multinational corporations worldwide and their growing preference for developing countries with a vast cheap labor force, many people have experienced unemployment or bankruptcy. Christina establishes that technological unemployment is the loss of jobs caused by technological change. Domestic firms would mainly depend on low-skilled labor and, once the MNCs entered those markets, were pushed aside due to the inability to withhold competition. Technological changes such as labor-saving machines or time-efficient manufacturing processes played a significant role in shaping a paradoxical economic disparity in those regions. The swift communication and globalization granted by technological advancement have created many issues for the world community. The interconnectedness of globalization and the Internet are potent means of spreading extremism and destructive behaviors. Diamandis and Kotler argue that technologies and the World Wide Web have made extremist ideas pervasive worldwide. Proselytizing has become easier by exploiting accessible technology. Advancement of digital terrorism and extremism have led to significant concerns over inappropriate usage of other types of technology, such as nuclear energy. Concerns over nuclear tensions have been put to the fore by many. Diamandis and Kotler write that around 70,000 nuclear weapons were manufactured in the United States alone. Powerful states like Russia and China also have nuclear armor in their military inventory. Considering the rising political tensions in the international domain, possession of nuclear energy does bring unease about the proper and appropriate use of atomic energy for the better of the global community. To tackle these issues and help minimize risks, high-profile international organizations must step in. As presented above, technological development creates problems that the worldwide community must pay close attention to. Christina states that the United Nations Counterterroristic Center was established in September 2011 to promote international cooperation against terrorism and support member states in implementing the global counterterrorism strategy. Extremism might influence many groups and societies and eventually lead to political instability. The threat of exploiting nuclear energy for political and military purposes has become a significant part of the global dialogue. Politicians, scholars, and leaders worldwide address the pending threats of environmental disasters and irreversible damage to humankind. A suggestion could be a strict implementation of international law that would closely observe the production and execution of nuclear energy. These laws should establish that atomic power must only be used for causes related to the public good. The world could otherwise witness armed conflicts worsened by nuclear energy. Everything you need for studies, essay samples, writing tools, and tips, you can find at studycorgi.com.